Hi everyone, today's video I'll show you how to animate a 2D image into a 3D animation with Immersity AI. So let's get started. Immersity AI is an advanced tool that transforms static 2D images into a dynamic 3D animations. By leveraging AI-generated depth maps and motion effects, it brings images to life with smooth camera movements and immersive animation. So here are the steps. First, visit the Immersity AI website. Click on the Try Now button in the top right corner, then create an account or sign in using your Google. Accept the privacy policy terms to proceed. Then the new account receive a 100 free credits with each animation costing between 30 to 60 credits. Click Upload and select the JPEG, PNG, or WEB file to 20 MB. You can use personal photos or AI-generated images platform like Leonardo, FreePic, or Ideogram. Once uploaded, the Immersity AI will analyze the image and generate a depth map, preparing it for animation. Immersity AI offers preset animation motion include a vertical camera moves up and down, horizontal camera moves left right, circular adds depth with a circular motion, perspective moved across the 3D dimension, and dolly zoom that creates a dramatic zoom effect. Then customize the animation manually. For more control, use the manual settings. Select the motion type, choose circular, linear, or arc motion. Adjust the amplitude, modify the phase, determine the motion range and direction, set a focus point, and edge dilution. Reduce the unwanted color artifacts around image edge. Then click Export to finalize your animation. Choose the output format, then set an export size. Adjust the frame rate and click Next to confirm export. Once processed, download the final animation. And that's it. Your 2D image is now a stunning 3D animation. Want more AI animation tips? Stay updated with Immersity AI tutorial and tools. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.